BMW X1 window washer pump. So you need to remove this cover. The pump sits right at the back. So I'm just using my phone, so I have to use my both hand to get it out. There's a clip underneath. Need to remove this. Don't need to remove all the way. These clips are not reusable. You have to change it to the new one. Sometimes you can push it in, but these one they get mud in there. So when you get mud in there, you can't really remove it. If you got it out, press the inner pin in and you remove the clip. Yeah, good on you. But normally get muds and dust and then rubbish in there. It doesn't come out at all. So I have to take them out. Let it on the rough way. So. Alright, I just bend this cover down. You can do it, that's not a problem. Yeah, you don't want to see this. This is ugly as. So that's your washer bottle. And at the back there, that's your two pumps there. So there's a 10mm screw there. I'm going to remove that. And I think it should slide out. So I'm going to pause the video again because I don't think I can put my phone somewhere like anywhere like that. Nah. I'm gonna pause this video and we go from there. Okay. I'll just slide it out of the place. I'll unclip this couple of wires. There's one clip there, one clip there. There's another one, and that's it. It's out. So you got one for the front, one for rear. So I don't know which one is for the front, which one's for rear. Yeah. So I'm gonna disconnect that because the rear ones work, front one doesn't spray. So now I'm gonna try. See if I press the rear one. If it doesn't work, means I disconnect the wrong one. So. Turn the ignition on. Alright, gonna press it. So that was the front one because the rear one still works. Easy done. I still hear the sound of the. As soon as I pressed it, it's made the sound. So this is the rear one. This is a front window washer pump. That's it. So I know for fact this is the problem, but if you're not sure, you can get a test light. Someone try to press the window washer pump and you will see if it lights up to here. If it lights up to here, it means you got power to the connector, so your pump is faulty. That's the easiest way to diagnose it, but for fact that's faulty. So I took the pump out. That's a pump, and this is a. I'll see if I can focus on it. See that? That's a filter and a seal that you need to make sure you put it back in there. See how? It's actually the bottle is pretty dirty. But I got the suction. I can put the hose in there and suck everything out of it, which I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna clean this filter. See that filter? I cleaned it up because the new one doesn't come with a seal. Yep. So I'm gonna put the seal back in there, and the filter does both of them. Make sure you clips on, and after that I'm gonna put a new pump in there. It goes in the grooves there on the bottom of that. I think I need my both hands again to do it that way. goes there. Just press it down. There we go. That's in. I'll connect that. The other way. And let's see if it makes noise or not. Beautiful. That's it. Easy.